Put on your cowboy boots and let's make our baked beans with ground beef for the ultimate comfort food side dish. Start by drizzling your oil into the pan and cooking your garlic and your onions. Then add in your ground beef and cook it completely. Add in your chopped bell peppers and stir it in. Then, open up all your cans of beans and place them in the skillet. Add in the Dijon mustard, soy sauce, and ketchup. Stir it all in. Chop up your raw bacon and set aside. Pour the baked beans into the baking dish. Smooth it out, and then top with your pieces of bacon. Bake into your preheated oven, and you're ready to serve. This makes such a great side dish, or serve it with cornbread muffins. Thanks for watching. Click on the icon to subscribe to our channel and on the video for more recipes.